thank you so much for stopping by. Today I'm here with a project share of a little gift idea. I'm going to be giving these to my wonderful colleagues at work for Christmas. And I just thought I'd share these because maybe you're looking for a nice little gift for someone special, and maybe this can inspire you on what you could do. So I recently purchased from Amazon the We Are Memory Keepers cinch, which is a binding tool. And I am so happy with it. And actually I bought it for binding altered hardcover books, which I haven't actually done yet. But in the meantime, I thought I would just try it out by making these cute little notebooks. And I thought I'd just quickly go through what I did. And even if you don't have one of these binding tools, you can probably sew them together or find another way to bind them. I'm sure there's definitely other options on doing this, but so this is just an idea. So I made, at the moment I have 10 here, and I have 6 more that aren't done yet. I've spent a lot of time on these. So let me just show you first what they actually look like. So each of them has a different cover, and actually the insides vary also. So let me just start off by showing you the different covers, and they all have the quote "Enjoy the little things" on the top, on the cover page, which I just wrote on my computer and then printed out, cut out, and distressed the edges. I put 2 buttons on each one. I just actually sewed them on the cover, and I put a fabric tag, I mean I just cut out some of my fabric with the pinking shears and glued it on, glued the Enjoy the Little Things tag on. And yeah, so I started off with, I believe it was about 40 pages of regular copy paper, and then in between I just added other random paper, so they each have like a graph paper in it and some other types of paper, but most of it is just the copy paper. And in between I also added various designer papers, which I just had in my stash, and I'm so happy to use the scraps, which sometimes you don't know what to do with, and they are piling up, so I'm so happy I found a good way to use them. And I also made some of the pages shorter, just so it would have a bit more variety. So let me just flip through this one quickly, and then the other ones are all very similar, and I'll just show you the other covers I did. So this is from my last AliExpress haul. This is a washi that I like using for like just putting headers on. It looks like a watercolor swash. You know what I mean. So I put a bunch of washi in here, then I added some cute stamping as well. These little I don't know what they are, fairies, or I guess they're fairies. Then I added my new washi with the Bambis. I have 3 different Bambi washis in each book, and these lovely designer papers, some random stickers. Also happy to use up some of my stickers, so that was perfect. Here's some more stickers. Now I wanted to keep it relatively simple because I actually wanted to have the recipient use it as a notebook, so I didn't want to load it up with a bunch of stuff. I wanted to keep it simple. Here's a little punch Some more stickers, more designer paper. Here's the second Bambi washi, which I think is adorable. Here's another one of those washies. These are from Cute Things in Japan. These were just from a block of paper that I had, and I just kind of cut. This is a tea set stamp, very, very sweet. Another one of those adorable fairies. You can use that punch. A 3D sticker. And these are some planner stickers that I had. I didn't really know what to do with. These are from a magazine. I want to almost say it's Daphne's Diary. This is the back side. It's a little shooting star. This is the third Bambi washi. And I think that's it, and that's the back cover. And then I only added a charm on each one, and they're different on most of the journals as well. So I think that just makes a really cute and personal gift. Actually, I just add a cute gift tag and wrap it somehow, and yeah, I'm really happy with these. So that's one design. Then this is another one. And then we have this one. I love this nib. I got these charms at a local craft fair recently. I'm sure you could get them on AliExpress as well. Then there's this cute little pink one. Oh, where the bow clip just got stuck. So there's that one. And there's this green one. There's this brown one with the birds. I have this blue one. And then we have this one. I really like this one actually. The cute little camera. There's an orange one with a cute safety pin. And again, this design but with a different charm. And the inside is a little bit different as the other one. And the ones that I haven't finished yet, I finished the outside. This is a Tim Holtz charm that I got at the craft fair as well. These I've put in the papers and everything, but I haven't put in the stamps and the stickers yet. Hope to do that tomorrow. I love this design, by the way. It's so cute. I'm hoping actually to keep this one for myself as a reference. We'll see if I made enough. So here's another brown and blue one with a little button charm. And then we have this one, gray and purple, different kind of button charm. And there's another pink one with a cute clothespin. And then we have this one with a cute little mushroom. And last lastly, we have this one. Yeah, so that is it. Just wanted to quickly share that and hope you enjoyed this. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.